Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying hardware and permissions so you don't chase software ghosts. Plug the mic into the port you plan to use, check mute switches, and try another USB/3. 5mm jack. This isolates physical faults. Once done, open Windows Sound Settings and pick the input device, then speak to view input level. This confirms the OS receives audio. Finally, open Microsoft Teams, go to Settings, Devices, and select the same mic, so Teams is pointed at the working source. Now you refine software controls to ensure clear audio. In Teams, choose the correct microphone and speaker, then use Make a Test Call to hear loopback and confirm input. If levels are low, open Windows Sound Control Panel, select the device, click Properties, and disable Exclusive Mode so no app hogs the mic. Make sure microphone permissions are on for Teams. Update or reinstall the audio driver in Device Manager, then fully restart Teams so changes take effect and retest. Finish by removing conflicts and isolating remaining issues so you can join calls confidently. Close other apps that might capture the mic, web browsers, recording software, and virtual audio drivers, then reconnect and retest in Teams. If problems persist, swap to a different headset or USB mic to determine if the hardware is faulty versus Teams settings. Make sure to clear Teams cache or uninstall and reinstall the app as a last resort. This often resolves stubborn configuration or corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.